Guys, we're going to start up our Carrier air conditioner again for 2023 for the first time. Okay, there's Renee's house, my buddy's house right there. She moves her Snoopy inflatables and they're on. It's crazy. Yesterday they weren't and they were moved right on the grass, I'm supposed to say. She moved them. But you could just hear the next door neighbors coughing. And some of our Christmas decorations fell off this tree right here. See if we can put it somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna put it right on that bush right there. See you. Okay, going to start it up. The 2015 5-ton Carrier Comfort Series 14.5 SEER. Okay, I moved the logo on it just to let you know, but we're gonna get it started up. Okay, I want to put the iPad near the compressor so you can hear the compressor a lot. It's got noisier over the months, but be right back, guys. Alright, here's the unit. It's running now. 2015 5-ton. Okay, check if it's going good. Yep. Okay, there's my room right there. Let's see you next time in the video.